Hello student, welcome to the lecture. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the linkage isomerism. In previous lecture, we discussed the ionization isomerism and hydride isomerism. So in continuation with previous lecture, we are going to discuss the linkage isomerism. So let's discuss the linkage isomerism. Linkage isomerism. Some ligands coordinated to a metal atom or ion through one type of donor atom in one complex and through another type of donor atom in another complex. These two structures are known as linkage isomer. And the phenomena is known as linkage isomerism, and the phenomenon is known as linkage isomerism. For example, there is here the complex is a pentaamine nitrito cobalt complex, and the same one here, that is pentaamine nitrito if you observe So here we are discussing the same example with linkage isomerism through structure. So here our example is, that is pentaamine nitrito complex. So if you draw the structure of this respective complex, then it will look like that. And here, that is So if you observe these two complexes, this one and this one, the chemical formula is the same in both complexes, but if you observe the 6 ligand, the 5 ligand is remaining same, that is a 5 number of ammonia here. Also there is a 5 number of ammonia, means 5 ligand of ammonia, and the 6 ligand is a NO2, here also NO2, but the binding through NO2 is in first complex is through oxygen, whereas the binding of ligand, that is with the center metal atom, is through nitrogen over here, means that it link in first structure it link with the oxygen, whereas in second structure it link with the nitrogen, means that the chemical formula of these two complexes are the same, but the linkage of this 6 number ligand is through different atoms. Here oxygen is here, and where here, that is a nitrogen, is bind to the nitrogen. So these two structures are linkage isomers of each other, and the phenomena is known as a linkage isomerism. Now let's discuss what is meant by the ligand isomerism. So third one, that is ligand isomerism. In ligand isomerism, these are the isomerism in which ligand is attached through different atom, but the chemical formula of this complex or the moiety is the same one. So if ligand molecule itself exhibit isomerism, then the resulting complex will also have a different isomer. For example, if you take an example of that is and here and structure is a 1,2-diaminopropane, and that is 1,3-diaminopropane. So here there is a 1, 2 and 1, 3. These are the positions of the respective carbon atom. Here this is our NH2 is attached to first and second carbon. Here this NH2 is attached to first, second and third one. So that's why these are due to attachment of different carbon atom, it form this isomerism, that is ligand isomerism. So these two structures are the ligand isomerism of each other. So these examples are two different isomers of same ligand, and the combination of this ligand gives rise to two isomers, and these isomers are nothing but the ligand isomers of each other. So now let's discuss what is meant by the coordination position isomerism. that is coordination, position isomerism. So in that type of isomerism, the ligands are arranged in between two different coordination sphere in different manner. So let's discuss coordination position isomerism. So in this form of isomerism, the distribution of ligands between two coordination centers differ. So generally here what happens in polynuclear complexes, position of ligands differ. Ligand resulting to two different structure having same chemical formula. For example, here if you take an example of tetraamine cobalt lido, that is O2, here again cobalt, this one, and that is 3 times CO, that is NH2O2, here NH3, Cl, CO. So if you observe here on right, these two complexes, these have a same chemical formula, but the arrangement of chlorine is here is in first structure chlorine is only at left side, whereas in second structure the chlorine is attached to the both side with the same number of chlorine. Here 2 chlorine, here also in second structure is a 2 chlorine, but the arrangement of that chlorine here and here is a different, means that it will be attaches with the ammonia ligand in right side also in second structure. So this is a due to the ligand, due to the chlorine ligand or the chloride ion ligand, here the arrangement of that structure is resulting in different isomer, so that's why it's called as a ligand isomerism. Now let's discuss what is meant by the polymerization isomerism. Polymerization isomerism. So let's discuss complexes having different molecular formula. But having same empirical formula. Same empirical formula is known as polymerization isomerism. So these are the all members of polymerization isomerism of this type. NO2 3 times, that is N times. So here this is a polymerization isomers of this respective moiety here. So these are the polymerization isomers of each other having different molecular formula but the same empirical formula here. So here if you observe, that is N is equal to 1, here N is equal to 2. So means that here that is a 1 complex, so that's why there is a 1. It will be the same number of empirical formula. This is the same number of molecule here. Just distribution is different here, so there is a N is equal to 2. So these are all the empirical formulae. Sorry, these are the all polymerization isomers of this respective moiety. That is a. Now we will stop here. In next lecture we are going to discuss the stereoisomerism and the types of stereoisomerism. Also the stereoisomerism in coordination number 4 and 6.